Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to cut and sew simple sleeveless gown. I made a big size camisole with this material. I will leave the link in the description box. This is 2 years by 45 inches. I'm going to add to the length. I fold into 2. I will mark 2.5 inches. I will fold again into 4. Bust is 50 inches, waist is 50 inches, hip is 56 inches. Full length is 64 inches, which this one is 45 inches. I will add on top to give me the full measurement. I have this one. I will fold this one into 2. I will fold again to have into 4. I will first go and sew on top this one. This is the front. Place on top. I will sew here. I finish the sewing here. I iron and I will fold with 1.5 inch. I pleat with 1.5 inch. I will sew on top here to give me the full length. I will do the same on the back. I will sew before I pleat on top like this on the back. This is the back. I will bring this way with 1.5 inch. Iron, then I will hold with pin and sew on top here. I'm done with the sewing on the back and the front. I fold into 2. This is the front. This is the back. I place the front on top. The full length 64 inches. Shoulder is 18 inches. Divide by 2 will give me 8 inches. I will add 1/2 inch to sew. So I have 8.5 inches. Placing my tape on the shoulder armhole, I measure 9.5 inches. Bust is 50 inches. 50 divided by 4 will give me 12.5 inches. I will use the remaining 1/2 inch to sew. I have 13 inches here. I will place my tape on the shoulder, measure 18 inches. This is waist. Waist is 50 inches. Divided by 4 is 12.5 inches. I will add 1/2 inch to sew. I'm not adding that on this. It's a free and simple gown. Here is the armhole. hip is 56 inches. 56 divided by 4 is 14 inches. This is 14 inches, about 1 inch remaining to sew. Neckline is 3 inches. I will cut back with ½ inch. On the back, I'm going to add slits. From the bottom, I measure up 16 inches. And I will trim this place out. I will sew zip on this place 12 inches. I will leave this place open without sewing here, this part. Then I will sew from here. I will sew from here down to this place. Then I will sew here and leave here open without sewing the bottom. This is the slit. This is the slit. I will leave here open. Front neck. I place my tape on the shoulder and I will measure 3 inches. After sewing, I will have 3.5 inches. I will cut the one to turn the neck, the back and the front neck. I will sew here. I will sew from here down to this place. I will leave here open. After doing that, I will sew the neckline. I will place like this and sew. I will do the same here and sew. Finish sewing the back. This is where I will sew zip on. This is the slits for zip and the slits and the front. So here. And I will sew up to this place before I join the shoulder. This satin bias, I will use it to turn the armhole. I will sew up to here. I will do the same on this side. I'm done sewing. I I will sew this way. I'll sew on top, just like this one. What I will do now is to sew the two sides. I will measure 9.5 inches and sew. I will measure 9.5 inches and sew. Bust is 50, waist is 50, hip is 56. After sewing the two sides, I will hem the bottom. This is the final look. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.